Hey y'all, I'm fixing to show you how to make a good barbecue sauce for that pork loin that I've been making, but it's great for chicken too. Okay, we're starting with 3 cups of apple cider vinegar. I'm going to put in 1 stick of butter. This is 2 cups of ketchup. Then we're going to add 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, that I love saying that word, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, and 2 tablespoons of cayenne pepper. Now, this recipe calls for 1 can of Coca-Cola that is. So we're going to incorporate that, which I've got a bottle, so I'm not going to put all that in there. This is going to be cooked on a low heat, medium low, and it's going to reduce down into a nice thick sauce. And then we'll be incorporating the honey. So we'll see you then. Okay guys, this has been cooking for an hour. See how it's reducing? And we're probably going to go for another 30 to 45 minutes. And then we'll be adding honey. Okay guys, this is done. You see how thick? That's absolutely perfect. Now we're going to add half a cup of honey. There we go. It'll have a little bit of a glossiness to it when it's done. There you go. Absolutely perfect. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. Okay guys, we've already taken some out of here, but I want you to see how thick it is after it sits. And that is a 1 pint recipe. So you can put it in here, put it in your refrigerator, and you can keep it for weeks. Please try this recipe, and if you like it, please push like on my channel and subscribe to me. I'm going to be doing so many recipes. I want to share them with everybody. Thank y'all.